Didik TV KPM.
Wait, do you still remember about the gimmick just now?
Oh, I do. But what does it have to do anything with what we're going to learn today?
So today we are going to learn about competition among plants.
Okay.
Besides that, we are also going to explain, students will be able to explain with example, the interaction between plants such as symbiosis. And symbiosis consists of parasitism and also komensalisme.
All right, Mr. Q. Now, what is the learning outcomes and objectives for today?
All right, so for today, at the end of this session, pupils will be able to describe the factors that affects the competition between plants. And they will also be able to explain through examples the type of interaction among plants such as symbiosis. Symbiosis consists of komensalism and also parasitism.
Wow, okay. Mr. Q, please proceed.
All right, so for the factors that affect competition between plants, there are altogether 4 of them. The first one is space, the second one is water, the third one is sunlight, and finally, nutrient. Okay, so I'll go straight to the point, all right? For space. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, this picture shows, what do you see? What do you see?
The first thing I saw is a fruit.
You see a fruit. What fruit is that?
It's a durian, Mr. Q.
Okay, and then beside the durian, there's a lot of trees planted there, right?
Right.
Did you realize that they are planted far from each other?
Yes, like there's a fixed amount of space in between them.
Yes, that's right. Because it is important to reduce competition among the plants. Okay, a few years back, when I went to Mardi is the Malaysian Agriculture Research and Development Institute for a tour, and we came across these Musang King seedlings. So my dad was really excited because this is one of the premium fruit of Malaysia, right?
Right.
So he was thinking, maybe in 10 years' time, we will be able to eat our own Musang King. So he approached the seller and he said, I want 3 of them, 3 of the seedlings.
Wow.
So the seller asked my dad, how much space do you have at home? Then I was curious. So I asked him, why do we need a lot of space? Oh, each Musang King tree requires at least 9 meters of space. Yes, so which means if this plant is here, the next plant must be 9 meters away from it.
9 meters, that's a big space.
That's how you get the best fruit in the world.
Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of competition.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, all right, Mr. Q, next.
Moving on, this is water. The water, as we all know, water is the basic need of all living things. It is important for the plants, animals, and also humans. So, competition will definitely occur between plants when water is finite, especially when it is during the drought season. A drought season where there's no more water, then plants will definitely compete for water. They look for water underground. So big trees like the one on the right, you can see from the picture, it has a very complex root system. This complex root system enables these big trees to look for water underground.
Right.
Some trees as old as 1,000 years old, their tree barks will be really, really huge and far away from each other. So there will be no trees, smaller trees near it because they will definitely lose out in this competition for water.
Right, okay.
Okay, next is sunlight. So Shafika, if you look at this picture, what do you see?
I see trees, but I also see different heights of trees.
Yes, so this is the forest or the jungle. So in the jungle, you will usually see trees that are really, really high up, or it's really stunted, because the trees that are really high up, they usually compete for sunlight. They'll race to the top, see who can get more sunlight. And then those trees which are stunted, they gave up. They adapt to the surrounding and decided to, not worth my time. So
they just stick to the floors.
Stick to the ground. So this is about competition for sunlight.
All right.
Next, we have, finally, is about nutrient. Nutrient is readily available in the ground, or in the soil, actually in small amount. Actually, So plants usually plants will have to hunt for it. But with the help of fertilizers, when humans provide fertilizers to these plants, the plants will actually grow better. Why? Because they do not need to hunt for the fertilizers, right? For the nutrients.
Right.
So because all the nutrients are readily available in abundance. So not only that, the nutrients, the fertilizers will help to alter the quality of the soil, making it more easier to retain water. So there will be more water trapped inside the soil for a longer period of time, so the plants can drink more. And also the airflow underneath in the ground will be better.
That's interesting facts there.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Q, please proceed.
All right. So it looks like I've gone through the 4 factors that affects plants, competition between plants. So now I would like all my students, my pupils, to list down the 4 factors that affects competition among their plants.
Okay.
For those who are at home, you can try that too.
Yes, who wants to try first? Pupils online, raise up your hands, please.
Okay, we have Alisa.
Okay, Alisa.
Okay, Alisa, can you please show us your answer? I think it's written S-P-A-C-E, right? So S-P-A-C-E, space. Okay, thank you, Alisa.
Wow, good job, Alisa. Perhaps how many marks or stars you want to give to Alisa for that
We will
answer?
give them 3 stars.
3 stars. Okay, good job, Alisa.
Okay, next we will... who wants to try next? Put up your hand.
Raise up your hand, please.
Oh, Zari.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Q, the answer is water.
Ah, yes. Good try, Zarik. Good try, water. Okay, good. Who's next? Who wants to put? Raise their hands.
Raise your hands up, please. Okay.
All right, Adam. Here we go.
Mr. Q, the answer is sunlight.
Sunlight. Very good. Looks like he's paying attention during class.
Good job.
Okay. Last of all, I think we only have Afiq, Anaki, Akif.
Okay, Akif, it's your turn now.
Mr. Q, the answer is nutrient.
Nutrients.
Yes. Okay. Looks like all of them have answered the questions. Let's look at the answers. See whether they got it all correct. Space, water, sunlight, and nutrient.
Wow, they got it perfect and on point,
Yes.
Mr. Q.
So all of them deserve 3 stars.
3 stars for each of you. All right, Mr. Q.
Didik TV KPM